How to play Minecraft on a school Chromebook. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to play Minecraft on a school Chromebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as we all know, a school Chromebook has a lot of limitations and it doesn't allow students to play games. But with this method, the students may be able to play Minecraft. So what we need to do is just click on the search bar right here and just type in Sammy Cheese right here. So just search for that and you can see here the sammycheese.com. So you can just click on that, and as you can see it will open this web page. So what we need to do is to just click on Minecraft if you already see it from here, or if you can see it from here, you can just click on the search bar right here and search for Minecraft. So just click on Minecraft right here and then close the ad. And as you can see, this takes some seconds to load. So what we need to click on is this right here. So as you can see, you can load into single player using the servers right here. So you can also just click on this play game right here and it will open Minecraft. So let's just wait for this to load. So you just need to skip the ads that comes with it. But if the page doesn't exist, what you can do is you can click on the servers right here. So let's click on server 2 and it will open another server. So as you can see, it will extract the assets and we just need to do the on-screen instructions right here. As you can see, it is loading. Just click on this I understand, accept, and then just type in your name, your player skin. If you're satisfied with that, just click on done. Click on X right here. Click on single player, multiplayer, depending on your choice. Then as you can see, it is starting up, so we can just wait for this. So you can create a new world, click on this, and then just customize your new world and click on this. It is now connecting, so let's just wait for this right here and it will download the terrain. We just need to wait a few seconds in order to play Minecraft using our computer. So after it's done with this loading screen right here, you can now play Minecraft. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to play Minecraft on a school Chromebook. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!